We installed around 250 square metres of a bespoke red polished concrete floor to this new restaurant project in Manchester. The customer was looking for an extremely tough and durable surface because obviously it's a restaurant floor with lots of foot traffic. This meant that we installed around 100mm depth to the concrete with steel reinforcement within, which provides a super durable finish. As this is obviously a public project, it was of paramount importance that the floor be classified as anti-slip. We therefore used a special matte anti-slip sealer that not only looks fantastic, but achieves a greater than 36 PTV rating in the wet. The bespoke red colour actually came about many years ago when we worked with the same customer to create a bespoke red polished concrete countertop at a project in London. The client provided us with a specific RAL number, which we then went away and created several bespoke samples on unique formulations and colour blends for them to approve. Once they'd selected which one they wanted, it was a simpler case of adding this to the concrete mix and laying the floor as normal. Despite the area being quite large, it was set up and completed in just 4 days. On the 4th day, our team installed the temporary protection over the floor. This allowed the main contractor to access the area and continue the rest of their work. It really is a key benefit of polished concrete when compared to other materials, is that the contractors don't have to wait for the floor to cure. They can access and traffic the floor whilst it's curing underneath the protection, which ensures there are no delays on the project. It's always extremely satisfying to work on a project like this, where we've seen it through from bespoke sample creation right through to final installation and the restaurant opening. It really gives us great confidence that the client trusts us to help bring this vision to life.